pandemic has displaced a sizable amount of people all around the world from the upper class and middle class to borderlines of poverty. Businesses have come to a grinding halt, and the financial crisis led by COVID-19 has delivered to manage a knockout punch. Hello everyone, this is your host Tanisha and welcome to a brand new episode on Ask Opinions channel where we debate and discuss the important issues that impact all of our lives in both small and big ways. In today's episode, we'll delve into the importance of effectively managing your finances during the pandemic. Well, if the pandemic has been harsh to your personal money maintenance routine and finances, then here are a few pointers for you to get back on your feet and manage your finances well during these unprecedented times. As it was rightly said by Benjamin Franklin, by failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail. Well, planning is an essential step in all processes. So while trying to manage your finances, it is vital to list down all your expenses in a book or an Excel sheet. Write down your income corresponding to the expenses and update it regularly. Also make sure that your expenses do not exceed your income. The pandemic has spared all of us from expenses related to travel, commute, tiffin services, etc. since the lockdown. All these spendings translates to savings, and while money saved is money earned, this act has actually proved to be a boon in effective financial management. While expenses are bound to happen, the ones that are related to necessities such as rent, groceries, bills, medicines, insurance premium, EMIs, etc. are all essential. The ones that are not should be avoided. An individual must avoid incurring expenditure on buying new clothes, white goods, gifts, or lavish purchases in order to manage their finances well. Now would be a good time to leverage the goodwill that you have gained with your local bank manager. Get clarity on the minimum balance that is required in your savings account. Check if there are any outstanding dues, pending payments, or unpaid EMIs. Also update yourself with all the grants and schemes that the government is providing during these times. Schemes such as the one under Section 24, where the interest paid on your home loan can be claimed as deduction from your total income up to Rs 2 lakhs. Keep your CIBIL score above 735 points, pay your bills, and wrap up all the accounts that are not in use. Well, credit cards can be a powerful tool during medical emergencies. Hold back on using your credit card to pay off other dues. If you're defaulting on your monthly payments, make sure to pay off your dues ASAP. Well, unless you have parked the money aside to invest in a house, if you are receiving considerable grants from the government or reimbursements under special schemes, do not make large investments. Real estate, business capital, an expensive car, or an asset can be purchased once the economy shows signs of improvement. If you are planning to pay off the monthly EMIs of your new house from your monthly salary, hold back on the purchase because the job market is highly unstable. Also, if you are living in a rented apartment in a posh locality, now would be a good time to downgrade to a single bedroom and save up on the money. If you do not already have an emergency fund, now would be a good time to start saving up for the unforeseen and difficult times. If you have a steady source of income, start keeping some money aside and use the emergency fund only if the situation demands you to do so. Taking a loan to pay off a loan is never a good idea. Make sure to pay off your debt with your income or with the money that you have saved. Loan must be taken only when it's essential. You can borrow from your friends and family if you can, but make sure to pay them as soon as your income has stabilized. Investing in a health insurance that covers pre-existing diseases, if any, is always beneficial. Having a health insurance has become even more important during the current times. A health insurance shields you from paying off hefty hospital bills, which is why it's important for you to pay your premium from time to time. Do not succumb to peer pressure. It is times like these that are meant to give you a reality check. Luxury comes at a price, and if your means are scarce, stick to the essentials and make do with the basics. If the investments that you have made are not paying you any dividends, liquidate them at the earliest. Mutual funds, FDs, an extra car, debt investments, an unused gadget, a luxury item, or anything else that can fetch you instant money, liquidate it. With money in hand, you can always reinvest, but remember, it will be exceedingly difficult for you to liquidate these assets when you're in urgent need of the funds. Well, these pointers will ensure strategic financial management that will help you get through these uncertain times. But all things considered, the need of the hour is to stay home and stay safe. Also, tell us what you think. What are the right ways to manage your finances during the pandemic?
If you want to know more about this topic or view the opinion poll, click on the link in the description box. Also, do not forget to share your opinions in the comment section below. You can also suggest some topics that you would like us to cover by sending a WhatsApp on +91 9513260000. If the topic you suggest gets selected, then you are going to win something exciting. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.